In last lecture, we have completed till question number 10 of exercise of this exercise. Now we start with the question number 12. Okay, question number 12 is you have to find dy by dx for this equation, that is the x raised to y plus y raised to x is equals to 1. Okay, till question number 10, you have given one function like this, that is in the form of x, and we had assumed that as a y. Okay, from now onwards, from the question number 12, you have given one equation. That equation is x raised to y plus y raised to x is equals to 1. This type of equation. Okay. અહીંયા પણ આપણે same first term, that is x raised to y, we will assume that as u, and second term y raised to x, again variable raised to variable, we will assume as a v. Okay, first term we will assume u and second term as a v. So this equation becomes u plus v is equals to 1. Clear? Now differentiate with respect to x. We will differentiate this equation with respect to x. So differentiation of u is du by dx, differentiation of v is dv by dx, and differentiation of 1 with respect to x is 0 because it is a constant. Okay, so now you have to find du by dx and dv by dx. Start with u. Your u is x raised to y. Here variable raised to variable, x raised to y. So we need to apply logarithmic function on both the sides. Okay, so if you apply log function on both the sides, you get log u is equals to log of x raised to y. Clear? Now x raised to y, a power છે x નો, એ power y log ની આગળ આવી જાય. So now your equation become log u is equals to y into log x. On right hand side you have two terms. If we differentiate this equation with respect to x on both the sides, so you get differentiation of log u is 1 upon u, and with the help of chain rule, differentiation of u is du by dx. Clear? Now here we have two terms, that is y and log x, so we need to apply multiplication rule. Second term as it is, that is log x as it is, differentiation of y dy by dx. Then first term as it is, that is y, and differentiation of log x dy by dx of log x. So you get du by dx is equals to a u division માં છે, સામે જાય તો multiplication માં, so u into log x dy by dx as it is plus y as it is, and differentiation of log x is 1 upon x. So you get du by dx is equals to, put the value of u, that is x raised to y, into log x dy by dx as it is plus y upon x. That is your equation number 2. Now start with v. Here v is equals to y raised to x, again variable raised to variable on right hand side, so you need to apply logarithmic function on both the side. So log v is equals to log of y raised to x. Now power of y, that is x, यहाँ log ની આગળ આવી જાય, so you get log v is equals to x into log y. Now differentiate with respect to x on both the sides, because we need to find dv by dx. So if we differentiate with respect to x on both the sides, so differentiation of log v is 1 upon v, and by chain rule differentiation of v is dv by dx. Again here two terms, so we need to apply multiplication rule. So by multiplication rule, second term as it is, differentiation of first term, and first term as it is, differentiation of second term. So d by dx 1 upon v, અહીંયા v denominator માં છે, સામે જાય તો numerator માં, so v into log y as it is, differentiation of x with respect to x is 1, x as it is, differentiation of log y, that is 1 upon y, but here we differentiate with respect to x, so again we need to differentiate y by chain rule. So differentiation of y with respect to x is dy by dx. Put the value of v, that is y raised to x, so you get dv by dx is equals to y raised to x into this. Now in equation 1 we will substitute the value of equation 2, that is du by dx, and equation 3, that is dv by dx. Okay, so we put the value of du by dx and dv by dx into the equation number 1. હવે આ equation મળ્યું, but what you have to find? You have to find dy by dx. તો આ ઇક્વેશનમાં જેટલી પણ ડીવાય બાય ડીએક્સ વાળી ટર્મ છે એને આપણે કમ્બાઈન કરશું, એને સાથે લેશું. સો એક્સ રેસ ટુ વાયનો એ મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરું તો વી ગેટ એક્સ રેસ ટુ વાય લોગ એક્સ ડીવાય બાય ડીએક્સ, એન્ડ હિયર ઇફ I multiply y raised to x with this term, so I get y raised to x plus x by y raised to x into x by y into dy by dx. એ બે ટર્મમાંથી હું dy by dx કોમન લઉં, એ બે ટર્મમાંથી હું dy by dx કોમન લઉં. ઓકે, તો અહીંયા ફર્સ્ટ ટર્મમાં વધશે x raised to y log x અને સેકન્ડ ટર્મમાં y raised to x into x upon y, y raised to x into x upon y. y raised to x upon y બેઝ સેમ તો પાવરનું સબટ્રેક્શન. So y raised to x upon y is y raised to x minus 1 and x as it is. ઓકે, વચ્ચે એવું હોય તો એક સ્ટેપ કેલ્ક્યુલેટ તમારે કરી લેવાનું જો ડાયરેક્ટ આ ના સમજાય તો. dy by dx રિમેઇનિંગ ટર્મ્સ that is x raised to y into y upon x, x raised to y into y upon x, અને હું મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરું so I get x raised to y into y upon x. સેમ અહીંયા બેઝ સેમ છે x, તો પાવરનું સબટ્રેક્શન, so that is x raised to y minus 1, y raised to x into log y, y raised to x into log y. બે ટર્મ હું સામેની સાઈડ લઈ જાઉં તો બે માઇનસ થઈ જાય, બેમાંથી મેં માઇનસ કોમન લઈ લીધું. સો dy by dx આ સામે જાય તો ડિનોમિનેટરમાં, so you get dy by dx like this. So that is your dy by dx, because originally in the question that is given that you have to find dy by dx. આ ઇક્વેશનમાંથી મારે dy by dx ને સબ્જેક્ટ બનાવવો પડે, તો dy by dx ની આ વેલ્યુ મળી. ઓકે, નેક્સ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 14, cos x raised to y is equals to cos y raised to x. હવે ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 12માં અહીંયા વચ્ચે પ્લસની સાઇન હતી અને સામે કોન્સ્ટન્ટ હતો. આ ક્વેશ્ચનમાં ડાયરેક્ટલી બે સાઈડ વેરિયેબલ રેસ ટુ વેરિયેબલ છે, બરાબર, ઇક્વલ ટુ છે. એટલે હું શું કરીશ, અહીંથી જ બે સાઈડ હું લોગેરિથમિક ફંક્શન અપ્લાય કરી દઈશ. સો ઇફ આઈ અપ્લાય લોગેરિથમિક ફંક્શન ઓન બોથ ધ સાઈડ, સો આઈ ગેટ લાઈક ધીસ log of cos x raised to y is equals to log of cos y raised to x. ઓકે, હવે આ પાવર છે, લોગની સાથે જે વેલ્યુ એનો પાવર થયો તો એ પાવર આગળ આવે. સો યુ ગેટ y into log cos x is equals to same, અહીંયા x આગળ આવે, so you get x into log cos y. Okay, on both the side of equation you have two terms. In left hand side one term is y and second term is log of cos x. Okay, log of cos x. Same, on right hand side you have again two terms, first one is x and second one is log of cos y. So when you differentiate with respect to x on both the side, you have to apply multiplication rule on both the side. Clear? So on left hand side you get second term remain as it is, that is log cos x, differentiation of y with respect to x dy by dx, plus first term that is y as it is, and differentiation of second term that is d by dx of log cos x. On right hand side again you have to use multiplication rule. Second term that is log of cos y as it is, differentiation of first term that is x, plus first term as it is, that is x, and differentiation of second term that is d by dx of log cos y. We use multiplication rule on both the sides of equation. Now log cos x dy by dx as it is, y as it is, differentiation of log cos x. So first you have to differentiate log, that is differentiation of log x is 1 upon x. So differentiation of log cos x is 1 upon cos x, and by chain rule you have to again differentiate cos x. So d by dx of cos x is equals to log of cos y remain as it is, differentiation of x is 1, x as it is, differentiation of log cos y. So first you have to differentiate logarithmic function, so that is 1 upon value of log, so 1 upon cos y, and by chain rule again you have to differentiate cos y, so d by dx of cos y. Clear? Now log cos x dy by dx remain as it is, y into 1 upon cos x as it is, you have to differentiate cos x, so differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. On right hand side log cos y remain as it is, here it is x upon cos y, that remain as it is, you have to differentiate cos y, so differentiation of cos is minus sin, so minus sin y, and by chain rule again differentiation of y is dy by dx, dy by dx. So you get log of cos x dy by dx minus y sin x upon cos x. Sin x upon cos x is tan x, so minus y tan x. Log cos y as it is plus into minus, that is minus x as it is. Sin y upon cos y is tan y and dy by dx. હવે dy by dx વાળી બે ટર્મ હું લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ લઈ જાઉં. એક dy by dx વાળી આ ટર્મ છે, that is log cos x into dy by dx, and second is minus x tan y dy by dx. Minus x tan y dy by dx ઇક્વેશનની આપણે લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ લઈ જઈએ, so that is plus x tan y dy by dx. From both the terms, if you common out dy by dx, you get like this, that is log cos x plus x tan y into dy by dx. Log cos y as it is minus y tan x goes to right hand side, that is plus y tan x, so y tan x plus log cos y. So you get dy by dx like this. That is your answer. That is your dy by dx. Question number 15. Again, x into y is equals to e raised to x minus y. Okay, આ question બે રીતે થશે. You can directly differentiate with respect to x or by logarithmic function. ડાયરેક્ટલી તમારે ડિફરન્શિએટ કરવું હોય તો લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશન રૂલ અને રાઇટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ ઈ રેસ ટુ એક્સ માઇનસ વાયનું ઈ રેસ ટુ એક્સ માઇનસ વાય અને ચેઇન રૂલથી એક્સ માઇનસ વાયનું ડિફરન્શિએશન કરવાનું. ડાયરેક્ટલી તો આપણે તમને આવડશે જ. તો આપણે અહીંયા લોગેરિધમિક ફંક્શનનો યુઝ કરીને ડિફરન્શિએશન કરશું. સો ઇફ વી અપ્લાય લોગેરિધમિક ફંક્શન ઓન બોથ ધ સાઇડ્સ, so you get log of xy is equals to log of e raised to x minus y. લોગની અંદર મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશન, તો લોગનું એડિશન, તો આપણે લોગની પ્રોપર્ટીઝ જોઈ. સો લોગ એક્સ પ્લસ લોગ વાય, આ પાવર છે, પાવર લોગની આગળ આવે, સો યુ ગેટ એક્સ માઇનસ વાય લોગ ઈ. ઓકે, સો લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ એઝ ઇટ ઇઝ, એક્સ માઇનસ વાય એઝ ઇટ ઇઝ, લોગ ઈ. બેઝમાં લોગમાં કાંઈ ન હોય એટલે બેઝ શું હોય? ઈ. લોગ ઈ ટુ ધ બેઝ ઈ, આ રીતે લોગ ઈ ટુ ધ બેઝ ઈ. જો આ બે વેલ્યુ સેમ હોય then answer is 1. એવી આપણે લોગની પ્રોપર્ટી જોઈ હતી. Okay, so log e to the base is 1. So you get equation log x plus log y is equals to x minus y. Now differentiate with respect to x on both the side. So you get differentiation of log x plus differentiation of log y is equals to differentiation of x minus dy by dx. Differentiation of log x is 1 upon x. Differentiation of log y is 1 upon y. And by chain rule, differentiation of y, again you have to differentiate y, so differentiation of y is dy by dx. Differentiation of x is 1 minus dy by dx. હવે dy by dx વાળી બે ટર્મ આપણે સાથે લઈએ તો આ માઇનસ dy by dx ઇક્વેશનની લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ જાય, સો યુ ગેટ પ્લસ dy by dx. બેમાંથી dy by dx કોમન લ્યો, સો યુ ગેટ 1 plus 1 upon y. ઓકે, 1 as it is, 1 upon x લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ ટુ રાઇટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ જાય, that is minus 1 upon x. LCM લેશો તો y plus 1 upon y dy by dx same x minus 1 upon x. માંથી dy by dx ના સબ્જેક્ટ બનાવો, so you get dy by dx like this. That is your answer. Last question of this exercise, that is question number 18. If u, v and w are the function of x, then prove that. Here there are three terms, u, v and w, sorry, that is function of x, not terms, that is function of x, that is u of x, v of x and w of x, like this. તો આ ત્રણ ફંક્શન છે. તો અત્યાર સુધી આપણે બે ફંક્શનનો પ્રોડક્ટ રૂલ જોયો હતો કે બે ફંક્શન પ્રોડક્ટમાં હોય, મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશનમાં હોય તો ફર્સ્ટ એઝ ઇટ ઇઝ સેકન્ડનો ડિફરન્શિએશન પ્લસ સેકન્ડ એઝ ઇટ ઇઝ ફર્સ્ટનો ડિફરન્શિએશન. ત્રણ ફંક્શન્સ હોય, if there are three functions, then multiplication rule is like that. Differentiation of first function, second, third as it is. Differentiation of second function, first and third as it is. Differentiation of third function, first and second as it is. આપણે આ પ્રૂવ કરવાનું છે with the help of product rule, repeated application of product rule and by logarithmic definition. Okay, so now start with left hand side, that is differentiation of u, v and w. આપણે પહેલાં u into v into w ને y એઝ્યુમ કરી લઈએ, રાઈટ. y is equals to u into v into w. y is equals to u into v into w, બરાબર. v into w એનો એક કમ્બાઇન ટર્મ કહી દો, એટલે મેં એને બ્રેકેટ આપ્યો, તો v into w. અને આપણે અત્યારે એક ટર્મ ગણીએ. હવે રાઇટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ મારી પાસે બે ટર્મ થઈ ગઈ, વન ઇઝ u એન્ડ સેકન્ડ વન ઇઝ v into w. નાઉ ડિફરન્શિએટ વિથ રિસ્પેક્ટ ટુ x on both the side. So on left hand side you get dy by dx. હવે અહીંયા બે ટર્મ કન્સિડર કરો તો પ્રોડક્ટ રૂલ શું છે? તો કે differentiation of first term, that is du by dx. Second term remain as it is, second term is v into w, plus first term remain as it is, that is u, and differentiation of second term, that is v into w. આપણે એને combined term ગણી છે, that is v into w. Okay, now that first term remain as it is, u as it is. Again here differentiation of v into w means again you have two terms into multiplication, so again you have to use multiplication rule. So multiplication rule for this is first term differentiation of first term, that is du by dx, second term as it is, that is w, first term as it is v, differentiation of second term dw by dx. Okay, u ને અંદર multiply કરો, so you get this product rule, dy by dx is equals to this. Now same rule prove by the logarithmic method, y is equals to u into v into w. If we apply logarithmic function on both the side, so what you get log u is log y is equals to log of u into v into w, u into v into w. Okay, હવે right hand side log માં three terms, there are three terms into the multiplication, that is u into v into w. So what we can write log u plus log v plus log w by the property of logarithmic function. Okay, log ની અંદર multiplication માં terms હોય તો separate log આપો તો એનું addition થઈ જાય, that is log u plus log v plus log w. Now differentiate with respect to x on both the side, so differentiation of log y is 1 upon y. By chain rule differentiation of y is dy by dx. Now log u, differentiation of log u plus log v plus log w. Okay, so 1 upon y dy by dx as it is. Differentiation of log u, differentiation of log is 1 upon u. By chain rule again you have to differentiate u, that is du by dx. Same log v no 1 upon v into du by dx, log w no 1 upon w into dw by dx. So dy by dx is equals to y. Y સામે જાય multiplication માં, that all three terms remain as it is, there is no change in these terms. Put the value of y, that is u into v into w. If we substitute the value of y, so u into v into w, this bracket again remain as it is, there is no change in these terms. u v w ને multiply કરો, so અહીંયા first માં u cancel થશે, so you get v into w into du by dx. u v w ને second term સાથે multiply કરો તો v cancel થશે, so you get u into w dv by dx. third term સાથે multiply કરો તો ત્યાં w cancel થશે, so you get u v into dw by dx. So that is a product rule for three terms. If there are three functions of x, then in multiplication, then differentiation of these three functions is like this: differentiation of first function, second, third as it is, differentiation of second function, first and third as it is, and differentiation of third function, first and second as it is. So that is product rule for three terms into multiplication. Okay, so exercise 5.5 અહીંયા આપણે કમ્પ્લીટ થઈ છે. પછી જેટલા પણ ક્વેશ્ચન્સ છે બધા ક્વેશ્ચન્સ પ્રેક્ટિસ માટે તમારે ઘરે જાતે કરવાના છે. From next lecture we will start with exercise number 5.6. Thank you.